In this video, I want to show you how to get and use the Instagram new repost feature which recently introduced in a new Instagram update. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, make sure you update your Instagram, and after that you need to simply open up the Instagram app. So on a home section, you realize that if you find a specific post, so here you notice that there is a brand new option called repost, and you notice that there is a double arrow icon. It means that some people reposted this. So this is like a Facebook share feature which now available on Instagram. So if you tap on this one double arrow, so here you can easily share a specific post. And now I just want to add something here, text hello. So as you can see, I have successfully created a repost here. So now if I tap on a save, so now I can find the reposted photo on my Instagram profile. So simply tap on your Instagram profile. Now at the center of the Instagram profile tabs, you need to simply tap on double arrow. So this is basically a new repost feature. So here you can see recently I have reposted this post from someone Instagram account. So in this way you can easily repost someone Instagram post. So this is the new option which recently introduced on Instagram. So in this video I have shown you how to use the repost on Instagram which recently launched. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.